Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to cook this beef biscuits with you guys. I have this about 2 kilo beef biscuits, and then what I have one onion cut it into half, and then few carrot and a lot of ginger, skin powder, and then a lot of garlic as well, and a bunch of green onion. So let's get started to cooking. Firstly, let's blanch the beef brisket. Put some ginger, garlic, and half of the onion in the wok. You can also use a big pot if you don't want to use a wok. Put the beef brisket in, add water. The water just need to cover the beef. Put 1 teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder into the water. Turn the meat over so the powders can dissolve in the water. Put the spring onion in, cover with the lid, turn the heat to medium, let it slowly heat up until boiled. After the water is boiled, we can turn the heat off, take the beef out, and rinse under the tap water. Now we can start cooking. Turn the pressure cooker to saute function. Add a little bit oil. Put some ginger and garlic into the pressure cooker. Slightly pan fry the beef brisket. If your pressure cooker do not have the saute function, you can do this process on the stove. Then put the beef brisket back to the pressure cooker to cook. Put the carrots and another half of the onion in. Now put in half teaspoon of the white pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon mustard powder, 3 teaspoon 5 spice powder, 4 tablespoons light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Water is 450 ml. Turn the beef upside down few times so the powders can all dissolve in the water. Lastly, put 1 teaspoon salt and the bay leaves in. Put the lid on and set 45 minutes high pressure cooking. Take the beef and carrots out first. Sieve the rest out as we just want the clear beef soup. I don't like to eat very fatty beef brisket, so I cut the fat out. If you like to eat the fatty beef brisket, you can just leave it there. Then cut it into the sizes that you like. I separate the beef brisket into 1 portion size to store. If you like to store in 2 portion size, you can do that too. Put the carrot and soup evenly into each storage box. I make 5 portions and store them in the freezer. Okay, now I share with you how to make 3 meals from these pre-cooked beef biscuits. The first one is beef brisket noodle soup. Take the beef brisket out from the freezer, put it into the saucepan. Put some mushroom and za'cai in and bring it to boil. You can cook the noodle on the other side. When it is boiled, put the cooked noodle in. Lastly, put the coriander and spring onion in. A bowl of hearty, hot beef brisket noodle soup is done. Lastly, garnish with coriander. If you like to eat spicy noodle soup, you can add some chili sauce in. It looks as delicious as it tastes. The second meal is curry beef brisket rice. Firstly, let's prepare a curry mix first. 1.5 teaspoon curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix them well. Put a little bit oil in the pan. Slightly stir fry a sliced onion and a potato. Then put frozen beef brisket in. I added a little bit water in because I reckon the beef soup is not enough. Then put the lid on and bring it to boil. After it is boiled, cook for 3 more minutes. Then put the spices in. Lastly, put 5 tablespoons of coconut cream in. Then the curry beef biscuit is done. One portion beef brisket became 2 portions after adding onion and potato in. I eat 1 portion today and will bring another portion to office tomorrow for lunch. The third meal is beef brisket rice noodle soup. This is the simplest meal to cook among the 3. I just use microwave to heat it up and I filmed it in the office. Firstly, use microwave to defrost the beef brisket. I also prepared pre-cooked rice noodle and I put rocket leaves and zha cai into the lunch box. You can also use other green leaf vegetables. Mix the beef brisket with the rice noodle and put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. Then it is done. Okay, that's all I want to share with you this time. The easy cooking and meal prep of the beef brisket. I hope it will make your lunch or dinner easier by pre-cook 1 pot of beef brisket. Thanks for watching. Bye.